My full name is Omirzat Kazarayeva. I teach English at school gymnasium number 53, named after Karatay Tursuv. Let me present my lesson plan. The lesson plan is for the second grade. As you know, the first, the second, the fifth, and the seventh forms are taught by new format of teaching. The lesson objectives are aimed at the theme of the lesson was big family. The lesson objectives are aimed to developing students to speaking, to listening, speaking, reading, and writing. And the learning objectives are created. The lesson objectives are created according to the learning objectives. So, as for my lesson, the lesson plan, the lesson consists of 3 stages: introduction, the main stage, and the conclusion. In the introduction, I divided the class into 2 groups by the colors. As the previous lessons, theme was colors. So each group consists of 6 members, and first of all I greeted and asked some questions, asked the date, and then as physical activity, as phonetic drill, we all sang a family song together, connected with the new theme. Now, let's sing a song, pupils.
Daddy finger, where I am. Here I am, how do you do? Mommy finger, where I am. Here I am, how do you do? Brother finger, where I am. Here I am, how do you do? Sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
After singing a song, I asked home task. The pupils did the home task activity orally. Then I introduced the new lesson, the theme of the new lesson. The theme of the new lesson was big family. Then I introduced them the new words, big and small, as the theme was big family. And I explained the pupils the difference between the words big and small, and also family members: mother, father, grandma, grandpa, brother, sister, and etc. Then I prepared 3 tasks for groups. Before giving the tasks to groups, I prepared the assessment criteria. The assessment criteria, I prepared the assessment criteria according to the learning objectives. The assessment criteria consist of the following tables: tasks and the descriptors. The first task was matching, and the second task was completing Venn diagram, and the third task was role playing. And there were descriptors for each task. The first task was matching. The groups should match the words with their translation. So it's the first task: match the words with their translation. And the descriptors of this task is are matching correctly, reading correctly, and making sentences using these words. And after the first task, we all did a physical activity, the rainbow song, because the previous lesson was about colors, and the rainbow song was connected with the previous lesson.
Red, orange, yellow, green, purple, pink. Red, orange, yellow, green, purple, pink. It's the rainbow, it's the rainbow. Beautiful rainbow in the sky. It's the rainbow, it's the rainbow. Beautiful in the sky. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink. Red, orange, yellow, green, purple, pink. Red, orange, yellow, green, purple, pink. It's the rainbow, it's the rainbow. Beautiful in the sky. It's the rainbow, it's the rainbow. Beautiful in the sky. Beautiful in the sky. Beautiful in the sky.
After singing a song, I gave the next task. The second task was to complete the diagram, Venn diagram. As you know, Venn diagram has three tables. In the first table, pupils had to write the big family members. Then on the next table, they had to write the small family members, and in the middle of the diagram, they had to write the things which are connected with both family members. So the pupils groups did this activity also actively and correctly, and so the descriptors of completing Venn diagram were writing correctly, completing correctly, and reading correctly the words. And the next task, the next activity was role playing. In the role playing activity, each group leaders had to introduce their family by role playing, and also he had to use the grammar construction have to, I have got. So each in this task, each group leader introduced the one big family, and the descriptors of role playing were speaking, using grammar, and the pupils' activity. So all three tasks were done by pupils actively and correctly, and I put them there, the points, by using assessment criteria. In differentiation activity, as for differentiation activity, I gave them stickers, and pupils had to write their opinion about the lesson and put their stickers on feedback poster. There were two pictures on feedback poster, the sun and clouds. So if the pupils like like the lesson, they put their stickers on the sun picture. So at the end of the lesson, I marked them by assessment criteria, and also the whole lesson I used also formative assessment. And as for results, I expected the following results. All learners will be able to know the new vocabulary connected with new theme, and also the learners will be able to use the vocabulary in speaking and write and read them correctly. So the lesson was over. Thank you for your attention.